Igralista. Ang lamig. Diyos ko, tingnan mo yung damit ko. Ganito lang yung damit ko. Isa lang. Tingnan. Si Angela naman, dalawa. So, yan o, daming mga tao. Ayan. Madaming bata dito. So, ito si Angela. Si Angela, wala pa. Kain pa. Agoy, nasa Angela. Ang dami dito, ang daming mga tao. Tingnan nyo. Kasi sunny. Ang daming tao dyan, daming tao. Ang dami. Dito kami ni Tata. Ang lamig. Diyos ko, hindi ako nakadala ng jacket. Sus, kauli-un ako. Lamig na kaiuli. It has a boat there. Look. Ayan na yung boat. Iskot na. Hello! It's so cold. You not feel cold? Ni, Jesus, may pasensya lawa. Tugnawa ako. Kuray na ko dire. Lakad. May tingnan nyo, may nangisda siguro yan. Nangisda. Ang mga tao dito, nagpapaaraw, nangangapi. Ayun yung Miss Angela. Si Angela nag-observe pa sa palibot. Dami mga bata dyan. Puno, puno.
Yes, Mama, it's a coffee shop in a gas station. Inside.
Okay. So it was in playground. So we're now in Čiovo. So I'm vlogging the sea. So we was there on the bridge. Big bridge. The big bridge. Simbahan. Hindi kami nakati ng mask kasi.
Mommy, picture biting.
Yes. Because, ang ganda dito. It's so nice, Tata, the view. Look here. I was thought only Čiovo is nice. Also Trogir, huh?
Yes.
Oh, that's Trogir. Yes, from this side. I just now realized, huh?
This is most expensive hotel.
What's this? What? This is the expensive hotel. Really, watch that. Yes, Brown Beach. I know. I have the Wi-Fi in Brown Beach. Where's the small church? This one?
Yes.
But no. Small church daw. Really, walang mass. But no mass there.
I think only once in a year.
Once in a year.
Yes.
Grabe.
When is you know, the sense.
All Saints Day? So
No, where's the sense of the church? I think it's there.
So ang ganda. Trogir doon. Ito yung bahay. Opit Hotel. This one. So this is much better. I sit down on front. I forget.
And for old people.
Where? This is for old people?
Yes.
Yes, Dome. Home for the aged?
Yes.
There. That's home for the Tata. Wow, ang ganda. Ang ganda-ganda dito pala. Oh, Tata, it's like marina here, huh?
Yes, but this is not. This is
Yes, this
for
is.
public.
That's for public?
Yes.
So ayan na nag-tour around. That's a Bura line to split. No,
Ribola.
here, Trogir to split the Bura line. So ito naman yung cathedral makita dito sa kabilang dako. Nandito kami sa Čiovo. So this is another city. Čiovo is a city? Another place from barangay. Čiovo is a Trogir also. So ayan, yung cathedral. So I was been there on Iwan. So kinuha ko ang aking phone sa Iwan. Wow, it's a lot of tourists now. Yes. So I recognize the tourist is mostly 80% their pension. So they are old. So maybe I transfer it there, Tata, on front.
This is Marina.
Wow, we go in Marina.
Club,
See, it's always been. Where is now the kindergarten?
What kindergarten?
For Beba.
I show you when we go back.
So it's not here?
Oh, there.
So I gotta stop for a while. Nandito tayo guys sa shipyard. Ang gaganda. Crane. Mga crane pala to. Oh. Wala na akong sasakyan. Ang ganda dito. So 2 times ako nakapunta rito. So mga unexpected na galaan namin. Yan oh. Ito yung parking. Ang ganda. Nakikita niyo ba? So last year, 2021, so nagpunta kami yung mga malaking gulong. So taga-dire ako sa malaking gulong. So ngayon naman, at na-delete yun ha. Na-delete sa picture sa aking cellphone. Ang ganda. Ito yung shipyard. Ito nagtatrabaho si Tata. At andito na yung mga mungkoy. Nag-waiting na sila. Ay, lamig! Sobra. Wala ako nakadaan ng jacket. So, nikakak na ko. Angela is not happy. Look.
Look.
Why Angela is not happy? Because Mama is here?
Look, Mama. Lots of Broadway.
Brodovi, yes. Ayan yung mga Brodovi daw. Tata Brodovi. Yan si Angela. Hello, Lakangging. Welcome to my vlog. Hi. You're happy now? She's not happy kasi iniwan ko siya sa likod. Gusto niya kasama kami. Ayaw niya gusto dito. So, Gori.
Yes.
So we go Biba Vertige, okay? Ayduk. So we go to Biba Vertige. So soon Angela will go to Vertige and Mama become Yamaha. Yes, and Mama gonna miss the restaurant.
Yes,
Breakfast.
Cowboy.
I think only breakfast because they put breakfast. So we can bring
It's
car. I mean, but when we go to Vertige, baby, I was not here. Is the Vertige because ima igralista. Hala, ito na.
Yes,
Oh, hala, we do not go there, Toto. Much better we go there.
How we go with car there?
Yes. Where's the car before? Where we put car before, Tata?
Tata put car on.
No.
We walk.
Yes, we walk too much, huh?
Tata
That's
put
Angela 1 year. Makikita dito yung alat. Wow, ta. Soon we go to balik na naman tayo. We go back to the A1 Tobacco. So it's all cigarettes.
There.
Coffee to go there. Where? The Vertige?
Yes.
Here?
Yes.
Here, apartment Tura?
Next row.
And how the babies go there? Here?
There. Here. You go here.
Here on this part? This?
There. That's house.
The Vertige house?
Yes.
That's already Vertige?
Yeah, that's
Oh my
British.
God, that's like a house, normal house.
Yes, but they don't have for outside.
They don't have igralista?
Nema.
So how the babies can
But
play?
people like that because it's close to shipyard. That's why.
Oh, that's not nice for Vertige, Tata. Eh? Yeah, we go now left. Tata, that's the Vertige.
Yes.
Oh, what do you think? It's nice? What do you think? Ito, ang ganda.
Puno Broadway.
Yes, dito ang ganda. But it's against the sun. It's already.
Mommy, don't go here.
Yes, we do not go there.
Ridiculous.
So,
Don't touch it. That is
that's a government
that
office.
mom.
Yes.
Don't.
So, Ginoo ko, Angela is very talkative. We was there. We was there on the bridge and then left turn. And then, ito na. Cathedral. Back of this cathedral.
Amen.
Yes, Amen. This is the cathedral here.
And City
church.
Hall.
And City Hall. OTP Bank. Yan. So, nag-tour lang kami. Nag-tour around before uuwi.
Bus station.
Bus station is there. Yan. Bus station. Yan, bus station. And ito yung another lagusan for the
Posta.
the posta and cathedral.
Banka.
Kuye, bilis mo. Di katedralo. Oni deal yun, Angela.
We go to Siget.
Yes, we go to Siget. We go to Ellie. And unexpected again we go.
No, just go there and make.
Okay.
Tata need go. It's late.
What late?
Tata forget.
Consume. Ito yung piazza mercado
Tata
namin.
Mobitel, I
So,
forget.
okay. So,
Maybe men still.
so ito yung fish market. Ayan na, fish market.
And piazza.
Piazza here. Piazza which means a wet market.
Puno mesnitsa.
Misnitsa means butchery.
Yeah, butchery.
And at pharmacies, ganito yung mga pharmacy.
Butchery again.
Butchery again. This one, butchery again. There, left and right, butchery, bangka. Minyachnitsa.
Shops.
Shops. Isang ganda. Malapit kami sa lahat.
Market.
Hotel.
Blah blah.
Ito yung BM. Hotel.
Blah, blah, blah.
Bangka. And then, parking lot. City parking lot dito. Ayan si Angela.
Supermarket.
Supermarket. Mall. Marisa Mall. Another. Tumi. Bangka. Bangka. So, malapit lang kami. On hospital.
Yeah.
Hospital ng Trogir. Pharmacy sa gilid. Another bangka. And apartments. Apartamahan ng bangka.
And coffee shop, blah blah.
And coffee shop.
They
So,
reconstruct.
this
They're
one.
not open.
Yes.
No, not open.
Coffee shops. Ganito yung mga coffee shop na
And
ibaba.
mall.
And the mall sa Trogir. So when I was here, when I came here, hala ka, I'm talking too much.
Yes, Mama talking too
Mommy
much.
said blah blah blah.
Yeah, Mama.
What Mama said? What Mommy said?
Mommy said blah blah blah.
Car wash.
Dabi. Ginoo tabangi akong anak.
Insurance.
Insure o siguran niya. That's our insurance.
Grave.
Astra Grave.
And second.
And Sigit na. So Sigit doon niya.
One.
It's another city in Trogir. Oh, another place, ha? Another barangay. How do you say it? Barangay? Kita nyo dito yung ayun, shipyard ng brown na building. Brown paint. Hala, what's that? Deconstruct new. Ang ganda ng hotel na ito.
Tata just maybe men still working.
Where?
I forget.
Where? So punta kami
Second.
ng... Hala, soon we gonna go to Iba House. Oh, look, oh, they have the playground.
Restaurant. Tommy. Supermarket.
Yes, supermarket. Tumis everywhere. Ne, may gralish ta ode.
And student.
And student na.
And Beba Pharmacy when you go
Yes,
test.
when we was in test with our
The best
Swab.
coffee internet
where
cafe.
the best alo. This is the best. Oh, the best internet cafe. We was not been, huh? We never experienced to go.
Might be there.
And this is Jen. Rotondo. Hello, Jen, be. Hotel Rotondo ang laki-laki. Ayun, ang laki ng Hotel Rebola. Yes. This Stanich. What's this tata? Whenever that is cheap or expensive. Picara. Why tata go here?
Here, the man.
That's the shop here.
Yes.
Here, Planet Media.
Yes.
This is a shop. Planet Media.
Okay,
Punta kami dito because
Mama knows. I tata not off.
okay.
But
We never touch it. So dito yon si tata nagpa service ng kanyang mga churva. Nagwaiting mi ni tata. Andyan si tata sa loob. Ayan, sa service Medea Churva Chucho. May napansin ako rito. Tingnan nyo. Para siyang, unsa ka inino ka ng, unsa gali na, susi, ginuko tabag. Tangad. Mura siyang tangad. Si tatay, mura siyang ko ano eh. Presidente. Dubardan. So yun, mura siyang tangad. Ina kami. Yes.
The city office.
That's a school and
police.
Angela Police si Police. Parking lot.
Policia.
And pizza.
And Mama, now you see the car.